In 2022, the World Health Organization estimates that close to 420,000 lives were taken every year due to diarrheal diseases induced by contaminated food and water. Low quality packaging and improper preservation methods are some of the leading causes. Especially during high throughput machine loading of flexible food packaging, the contents can be unintentionally incorporated into the seal and hence making the seal integrity test online extremely challenging. As reliable packaging is the last line of defense to ensure consumer safety, we aim to design a non-destructive seal integrity inspection system that ensures the quality of every package leaving the manufacturing plant. SANS technology uses electromagnetic waves and artificial intelligence to ensure the quality of every product leaving the manufacturing facility. It works just like X-ray machine at airports, where each package is scanned on the go to ensure that there are no defects, leaks, or impurities. Our solution is cost-effective, fast, and capable of sensing non-destructively. It can be scaled easily and implemented freely around the product to maximize sensor sensitivity. This means that SANS is highly flexible, versatile, and effective even for non-conventionally shaped packages, which is extremely challenging for current sensor technology. On a larger scale, the SANS system can be seamlessly integrated into the production line for real-time inspection without affecting production speed and help to minimize production wastage and downtime. We hope to collaborate closely with industrial partners to produce an effective SANS technology for the global market. We strive to empower consumers with the capability to reduce the risk of falling ill and verify the quality of their food purchases in the comforts of their own home. This ensures the health, safety, and happiness of each and every consumer.